Feeling overwhelmed by the need to constantly create eye-catching carousel posts for your social media? Say hello to Rusher.ai, your new best friend for effortlessly generating stunning carousel posts. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to bring your social media to life. First, let's get started with onboarding. Enter your website URL and some basic information about your site. This step sets the stage for personalized content generation tailored just for you. Curious about what's next? Let's move on to creating content pillars. Click on Create New Content Pillars and watch as Rusher.ai generates a list of content ideas specifically for your website. Select any idea that catches your eye, then click on Social Media Carousel. You will be taken to a variety of ready-to-use templates. Wondering how to make these templates your own? Let's explore that next. Pick a template that fits your brand. Click Keep Template Color if it matches your style, or adjust it as needed. Next, choose your brand voice, enter your target audience, and click Create Content. Rusher.ai will now work its magic and generate your carousel post. It's that simple. But what if you want to make some tweaks? No problem. Edit the content to fit your message perfectly. Revise text, add company details, and upload your logo. You can even add an image as the slide background by uploading it from your device. Want to go even further? Change the slide dimensions, color theme, font, background pattern, and overall theme to perfectly match your brand identity. Once you are satisfied with the edits, click Download. Your stunning carousel post is now ready and can be viewed in PDF format, perfect for sharing on your social media channels. And there you have it, a professional carousel post created in minutes with the power of AI. Get ready to wow your audience with Rusher.ai. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.